You use this every day. But have you ever seen how it's actually made?
Every batch begins with carefully selected pharmaceutical-grade ingredients. Automated systems measure each material with incredible precision.
The approved ingredients are transferred into a giant vacuum mixing reactor. Powerful industrial mixers blend the formula into a smooth, creamy paste, while the vacuum system removes. After the toothpaste reaches its perfect consistency, precision injection nozzles add the SIG blue gel stripes. Advanced flow control technology.
The finished toothpaste now enters the fully automated filling line, while intelligent sensors continuous to ensure every tube meets strict quality standards before sealing.
Once every tube is filled, high-speed sealing machines permanently close the tube to protect the toothpaste inside, then prints the batch number and expiry date. Every toothpaste tube passes through an AI inspection system. High-speed cameras examine the seal, print quality, and tube shape in real time.
After passing the final quality inspection, every toothpaste tube enters the automated cartoning line. Robotic systems place each tube into a cardboard carton precision.
Once the individual cartons are sealed, robotic packing systems organize them into large shipping cases. Intelligent robotic arms place every carton with perfect precision. The packed shipping cases now enter the automated palletizing system. High-speed industrial robots build perfectly aligned pallets, while after palletizing is complete, autonomous forklifts transport every shipment to the loading dock. Laser-guided positioning systems place each pallet inside the trailer with perfect accuracy. After leaving the factory, every shipment enters a fully automated global distribution center. Intelligent warehouse robots scan, sort, and organize each before routing it to retailers. From the distribution center, the shipment is delivered directly to retail stores. Each pallet is transferred into store inventory, where the toothpaste is prepared for stocking and ready for customers. Inside the store, every shipment is unpacked and carefully stocked on the shelves. Each toothpaste box is arranged in perfect order that has completed its journey from the factory to the retail aisle. After completing its journey through advanced manufacturing and global distribution, the toothpaste finally reaches its destination. A customer selects the product. After being selected from the shelf, the toothpaste is scanned, purchased, and packed for the journey home. What started as carefully measured raw ingredients inside a high-tech factory, the journey finally reaches its purpose. After traveling through advanced manufacturing, quality inspection, global distribution, and reach the very first time and applied effective daily all care.
As brushing begins, the toothpaste spreads evenly across every tooth, creating a rich cleansing foam with every gentle stroke, bringing the entire journey to its real purpose.
And precision manufacturing to everyday oral care, the journey that began inside a high-tech factory. Now, what begins inside a state-of-the-art factory becomes part of millions of daily routines. Discover how everyday products are really made. Thanks for watching Prime Foundry.